riding in the Torklift today for a factory tour, and we want to take you along with us. We're heavy users of their products. We have their tie downs, their turnbuckles, their upper and lower stable loads, as well as their glow steps that came with our camper. All of their products are top-notch, super high quality, and I'm really excited to see how they make them. Their name is pretty synonymous with truck camping, and most people who are involved in truck camping have certainly heard of them. So we're pretty excited about this tour today. We're a little lost. We thought we were at the right building, but
we're not.
Maybe not. Hi, my name's Scott, and we're here for a factory tour. Oh, let's see, there's numbers 1901 Friar Avenue. They are 1901 Friar Ave, but I can't find Friar Ave. Where? Oh, you're right.
Backside.
Good, how are you?
Yeah, so right here's fine.
Okay, I'll straighten out a little bit.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you.
Yay, at least we know that that's the right place. Torklift, we started in 1974 in this one bay shop. It was really a mom and pop feel. You know, you'd go and you'd get your products installed, whether it be suspension or tie downs or service work on your RV. And that one bay shop has turned into the retail product development center. And then behind me you have Torklift International, which is our plant in Sumner, Washington. And most recently we have a facility in Royal City. We were just outside, so it's now a little cold, and New York perfect as well.
So we're here with Kyler, and he's going to be giving us a tour. He's going to be very loud in there, so there might be some times that we just don't talk, and we're going to just show you what's going on.
Yeah, so come on.
All right.
We're a true American manufacturer. It's not assembled in the US. It's created and made in the USA. Everything will come in this door, and then it comes out the door over there. So you can see we have raw materials out there, and we have raw materials right inside the door here. So that's everything from, you have your stainless steel, your aluminum, your regular steel. We have sheet metal, and we also have tubing over here. So everything is cut right here. You have your tubing, everything is pressed. So it all starts right where we're standing. On the left side, we have a few Mazak lasers at this facility. And so that's when everything gets cut out. So that could be like the side plates for our hitch, our tie downs. And then you can see on this side, this is where the plates will come out. And everything in this department, this is like forming. So it's where the tubes and the plates will get bent into shape, so you can have those custom fit side plates. So no drill applications, right onto the vehicle without any modifications. So everything starts from raw materials and gets put together to have the finished product. You have cutting, you have forming, you have our lasers, and then you have some welding cells right here. So we have welders in conjunction with our robotic welders as well. And then over on the right side, this is going to be kind of fun. So this is one of our robots, and you can see we're making our tie down inserts right now. So right here, this is what we call a jig. This is where it lines it up, keeps everything properly lined up for the welding.
How many robots do you have?
At this facility, we have 3, and then Royal City, that's we've been building there for a couple years, so we have more robots there. The exact number, I'm not quite sure. This is where hitches will get welded as well. So it's kind of like a chain. Everything comes in that door, comes through this horseshoe shape, and you can see some of our front hitches here.
Wow, those are beefy.
Yeah. So at this point in the factory, everything you're going to see here has been welded together. It starts to form that final product. This is staging for powder coat. So we do our powder coat in-house. That's everything you see back there. So you won't see all of the products being manufactured here because we have moved some of our products over to the Royal City facility. So we'll have the one in Kent, Sumner, and then Royal City. All right, behind you. Yep, go ahead. So back here, that's where packaging starts. So you can kind of see the peak of powder coat coming down the line. So everything will come outside of powder coat. It'll be brought into here, which is going to be packaging. And we have boxes obviously varying in size. They'll come out here. And for example, here's our Power Armor Max box, which holds up to 5 batteries. It all started right in the corner when we walked in, comes around, and then now it's getting packaged for the end user. You know, in 1974, we were this one bay mom and pop shop, right? And so people would come in, we'd install various different products. Customer came in and they had difficulties tightening turnbuckles, like old school turnbuckles, right? They have, I believe they had arthritis. So what we came up with the Fast Gun, which is a quick disconnect turnbuckle. Made it very easy for her to mount the truck camper and then, you know, clamp it down. So that's where it started. It was like a custom product. We made it. And how I see the Retail Product Development Center is where we can truly figure out what the industry issues are and where we can improve the day-to-day experiences for campers and RVers. The tie-downs, you know, frame mounted. You don't have to modify anything. With the size of these campers and aluminum body beds today, you really want to make sure that camper is mounted to the frame. So it started there. We were making them custom one-offs. Demand grew and grew and grew. And so that got us here in Sumner, Washington. You have heart to it. Our employees aren't just a number, you know, on a spreadsheet. Everybody's got a name. It's like a big family here. Yeah, so everything's made in large runs, right? Okay. So if we're going to be doing stable load or suspension upgrade, we'll make a batch of them at a time. And that's when it would go out to distribution. Simultaneously, you have tie downs, you have turnbuckles, you have suspension, you have steps being made all at once, but it kind of follows the same path. That mom and pop shop feel still stands true to this day. So, you know, if you're employed here at Torklift, I'm speaking for myself here, but I'm sure many would agree with me that it feels like a big family and everybody's, you know, first name basis. It's a lot of fun here. And I know I started here about 5 years ago, and I started from, you know, just a parts runner, and I talked a lot and they moved me into like customer service, and then from sales, and then I started doing shows. And, you know, Torklift's given me an amazing opportunity to kind of build, grow, and hone my own skills. We build, we grow, we cultivate people. So that's our why. And then out of it, you get fantastic frame mounted tie downs and turnbuckles.